In this video, I will show you how to edit campaign settings and attribution models in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Go to the left part of your screen and open the menu list. Then click on Campaigns. You will be redirected to your campaign boards, where all your campaigns are displayed. Select the campaign you want to edit, then on the top menu bar, click Edit. Scroll down and click Next to move forward. Here you can see your attribution models, which you can customize based on your needs. Click on the circle beside each model to view more details. You can also adjust your budget and schedule settings here. On the left side of your screen, you will find your campaign score, showing how your campaign is performing. And that's how to edit campaign settings and attribution models in Meta Ads Manager.